Welcome to another Smiling Colors video, friends. Today we're unboxing a Loops and Threads crochet kit, and I picked this one up at the Michaels store. There are so many cute designs to choose from. I picked up this Boba Tea one, and let's unbox. The kit comes with everything you need to make an adorable stuffed toy. There are 5 colors of yarns included. There are plastic eyes, polyester fiber fill. There's even a plastic crochet hook included. I also bought the bear kit. This kit was sold out in my store, so I ended up ordering it online. This one has everything needed as well. It has all the yarns you need. I love the yarn colors they've included for the bear. They're very cute. The yarn is a basic acrylic yarn. Included in this kit are also 2 plastic eyes, a plastic nose, 2 buttons for the overalls. It also has the same plastic crochet hook. There's a metal needle included because you need to stitch everything, and all the instructions are also included. But what's important to note is that this is an intermediate level project. The instructions are very well written, but there are a lot of small pieces. You end up using stitch markers so that you have the correct number of rounds. But I loved how cute the end stuffed toy turned out. The eyes are super cute. There's enough filling included in each kit. Each stuffed toy takes about 6 to 8 hours as it's put on the instruction sheet. But the end result is so adorable. My daughter made both of these over winter break, and I enjoyed watching her make these because there's just so much detailing involved. Look at the cute little buttons on the bears, and everything turns out so stunning. I thought these kits were well worth their money, and I really had a difficult time choosing between the boba and the bear, but in the end I have to admit that the bear is my favorite. Let me know in the comments what you think. Have you made one of these kits? What do you think of them? Share a photograph of your finished product. I'd love to see it. As usual, I'll link everything that I've used in the description box, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Till then, happy crafting!